Hey guys, what's up? Today I've got a new unboxing. It's the Realme Narzo 50A. So this is just an unboxing. So let's check how this phone really looks. So I got this from Flipkart. So let's check this out. So let's see what do you get in the box. So guys, this is the Narzo variant, the 50A. Well, there's some information here. So this is the green variant. So this comes with a 6000 mAh battery, 18 watts quick charger, 50 megapixel and Helios G65 gaming processor, guys. So there's nothing much around the box. Let's do the unboxing. Let's see this. So here we go, guys. Let's have the first look. So we have a seal here, guys. You gotta cut that up. So guys, first look, let's have a look at the green variant. First thing is some documentation. Let's check this out. What do you get? Some ejecting tool, pretty much some documents. That's the phone. Let's keep it aside. Okay. Oh my god, look at the size of the charger. As it says, 18 watts quick charger. So guys, looks pretty okay. And that's the USB cable, and this is the C type. So that's it, nothing else in the box. Let's unbox the phone. First look, guys, first impression. Well guys, I got some scratches onto the screen, but actually it's a scratch guard given on top. Shocked there are some scratches on it. Okay, anyways, the phone looks okay to me at the moment. Fingerprint sensor, you got 3 cameras, flash, SIM tray, 3.5mm jack, mic, you got the C type charging port, this is the speaker, your power button, volume rocker. Nothing at the top. Well, the phone looks pretty big, yeah, for the price. Not bad at all. So guys, only given in the box is the charger, USB cable and the phone, some documentation, and that's about it. You don't get, by the way, pre-applied, as I said, a pre-applied scratch guard is there on this. It's not a tempered glass, it's just a scratch guard. So guys, this is just an unboxing. I hope you liked it. This is the Narzo 50A. So guys, hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions on this, you can ask me. Thanks for watching, guys. Sayonara.